Heading back to the field. The onion extract mass production line is fully op.
The Aloe Hair Onion and Aloe Vera Shampoo, flowing at 120 liters.
Keep stacking those crates high.
And let's go to the last one.
Heading back to the field for more.
The pink extract shows a pH of 5.2. Let's compare that to the aloe vera gel.
Onion extract and aloe vera gel bottles move efficiently along our state-of-the-art conveyor system in a sterile environment.
The onion extract mass production line is fully operational.
Onion and Aloe Shampoo, batch 1024. Mixing in progress, temperature 24.5 degrees Celsius. Timer 12 minutes and 43 seconds.
The Aloe Hair Onion and Aloe Vera Shampoo, flowing at 120 liters.
Temperature is stable at 220. Initiate molding. Mold 02A confirms engagement. Material is flowing.
Of the 12 nozzle rotary filler efficiently Welcome to the production line. Observe
Line
the
3
precision.
running at standard capacity.
Affirmative. Bottles filled with product, ready for capping.
The automated production line operates at 1,200 caps per minute, ensuring your continuous supply. The Capper 5000 efficiently.
Onion and aloe. The scent is exactly right, the labeling's perfect. On to the next batch.
Introducing Aloe Hair Onion.
Upgrade your hair care routine with the new Aloe Hair Onion Shampoo.
It's time for visibly thicker, healthier hair.
Experience the difference of Hello Hair Onion Shampoo for stronger, nourished hair. Lather up and enjoy.
Experience the power of nature with Hello Hair Onion Shampoo. Nourish and strengthen your hair with onion extract and aloe vera, proven to reduce hair fall.